Hi, this is Jessica with 864 Creative, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a vinyl decal. This can be applied to any hard surface, usually a car or a laptop or a tumbler. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the surface you're applying the decal to is completely clean and free of any residue. So here I'm using some rubbing alcohol and just making sure it's completely dry. Next, you're going to want to remove the backing and you will be left with the decal on the clear piece of sticky transfer tape. Place the sticky part down where you would like it. Once you have it placed, you can no longer move it around, so please place mindfully. Press down firmly on the decal using a credit card, paying close mind to the edges. Alright, now it's time to peel up that transfer tape. If you notice the decal is not sticking to the surface, press down on the decal with the card and try again. Once your decal is applied, you can use the credit card to smooth out any bubbles. Scrape out the bubbles gently to the closest edge of the decal. If you still are noticing some small bubbles, you can use a thumbtack or needle to pierce and remove them. Then flatten the decal out with a credit card. Hopefully you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.